Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm back in Florida again, and I found a Hot Wheels monster truck, and the one I found today is the VW drag bus. This truck is super cool. I'm so happy that I finally found it, and yeah, so let's get it unboxed and see what it's all about. So here's the crush car. It's a red one. I'm gonna put that together real quick. Pretty easy to put together. And here's the VW drag bus, and it's actually very heavy. So it's probably it's about as heavy as Chewbacca, the Chewbacca monster truck. So let's check it out. So we got silver rims, silver chassis. You got like the little booster thing, or the what is that? The exhaust. Pretty cool. On the side, you got flames, Hot Wheels, Monster Trucks logo. They've got the Volkswagen logo on the front, and then the headlights. You get some flames on the roof, and then the Hot Wheels logo again, and then same stuff on this side. Yeah, pretty awesome truck. I'm glad to have it in my collection. Well, the rest of my collection's back at home, but it'll be nice to add this to the collection when I get back home. But yeah, so there's the first truck I found in Florida of 2020, the VW drag bus. So yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.